Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the LED Blink with Arduino Uno in tinkercad circuits in this video. Let us start the video. I am just going to explain in this video, not any projects. I am not going to do without seeing. Now in this circuit design we have three components, and those are an Arduino Uno, which is a microcontroller, an LED and a resistor. Now this resistor has 220 ohms. Now this project is really about an Blink project, a LED Blink project. Now this example shows the simplest thing you can do with an Arduino to see physical output. It brings an LED. In the circuit, to build a circuit, connect one end of the resistor to Arduino pin 10 and connect the long leg of the LED, the positive leg called the anode, to the other end of the resistor. Here. Connect the short leg of the LED, the negative leg called the cathode, to the Arduino Uno's ground. And click Start Simulation. It is very bright. It is blinking, just like eyes, our eyes. Now I go to code, and as you can see, you can also type test. Now I can delete the test. See? Now this is the comment. Here we type the comment. And here, these are the functions. The comment and functions. Here we have comment LED. We want the LED to interface with the Arduino Uno. So we just type that in the test. And the void setup, void loop. There is two voids, void setup, void loop. In the void setup, there is pin mode 10. Now this is the pin mode 10 output. Pin means digital pin and mode means output. Now in the digital pin, this is the digital pin. These are the digital pins, and in the 10th pin is connected. The resistor is the one end of the resistor is connected to the digital pins 10, number 10, and from the resistor one end it is connected to the LED's cathode, anode, and an LED is output. Then in the void loop we have the digital write 10 will set to high, and 5 voltage will be supplied to pin 10. 5 voltage will be supplied to pin 10, and from there it will be connect to the resistors terminal 1, from the resistors terminal 2 to the LED's anode, and from the LED's anode to the LED's cathode, and from the LED's cathode to the ground of the Arduino Uno. that is a circuit design. The Arduino Uno will give 5 voltage to pin 10 and it will reset to high. High means it will give 5 voltage and then it will delay 1000. Delay means wait. It will wait 1000. Wait for 1000 milliseconds. It will wait for 1000 milliseconds and then the digital right pin will get pin 10. The Arduino Uno will give low energy to the digital right pin 10, which means low means it will give 0 voltage. The Arduino Uno will supply Arduino Uno will give 0 voltage to pin 10 and from there it goes to resistor terminal 1 and to terminal 2 and to LED's anode, and from there the LED will not work and goes to from cathode to ground of the Arduino Uno. And then it will delay, wait for 1000 milliseconds, and that is the test. Now in blocks we have this command. Now from test it cannot upload to blocks, only from blocks it can upload to test. Now in the blocks we have set build in LED to high, wait 1 second, set build in LED to low, wait 1 second. Now this video can be very useful for beginners. That is it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you guys in the next video.